Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Here in this video, we will going to show you how I built the professional website for the real business. So I got one requirement from one of my friend who is like owning one business, that's a camera business, Sai Telecom and Security Solution Limited. Using a Python and Streamlit app, I have built a website for him. And there's no HTML or a JavaScript needed, just a Python I have used and created this website. I know nowadays people can create a website using many automated solution, like they will get a template on online sources. They can just fill the information and they will get a website, but those are very limited because over there they just give you only two chance to create that. Those are very sample, and after that they will charge you. But this is like complete free of cost. You don't have to spend a single rupee to create this website, and this will not take much of your time. And I can share my code to you guys, and you can just use this code and just change the name of the company and the formal details like contact, about, and services, and you can publish this app. So this is as simple as that. You can now show, see it's the website that I have built. It look very professional, and if you see the header, it's moving like the stock market that is moving, right? So here in the there are different tabs that we have. You can see it over here. So here we are just putting the welcome to this one and why to choose us, right? And this is a testimonial that we have. And if you go to services, there are like different kind of product that he's selling. So I have just attached all this stuff, right? So I can just guide you how I have created this. Here I'm just giving an information about how about us, like about the company, that what is his mission, what is the team, what is the achievement that he has, and here are the contact information. And the final, not but last but not the least, is here. If you customer want to send any query, they can just type their name, email address, and they can just write something that if they want to inquire about the product or something like that, they can just write it and send it, and there he will get a email on that, right? So I'll just guide you the step by step how you can create this kind of website. This looks very simple. I have not made it fancy, but you can change another stuff by your needs, and stuff like that. For that, you don't need any coding skill. What you can do is you can go to ChatGPT and ask for the code. It will help you, right? So that is how I have used. So let's dive into, right? So we'll just go on. I'll just show you the whole code that on my Visual Studio Code. Here are the whole Python code that I have written, right? So I will not going to write it again, but I can just explain you in a bits and pieces that so that you will understand this. And at the end of this video, I will just put this on in my GitHub so that you can use and change the few steps that I will guide you, and you can make your own website, right? So let's dive into the first part that we have. Let's take a look at the libraries that we are using. So here we are using a Streamlit, library. This is the Streamlit is something that online web that provide us the services to publish the website or any of the web related content on the Streamlit, right? So I think it is a free of cost, and you don't have to pay anything for this one. So this is a free, so you can use it. So the first library that we will going to use is Streamlit. And the second one that we have is, so this is like we are importing it like Lotties and the request, right? So these are the basic library that we need to use it, right? So basically the Streamlit Lotties help us to add cool animations, and the request is a use to fetch the animation data from the internet, right? Pretty simple, right? Okay. Now we'll move on to the second part, that is st set page config. And then this is the name of the organization that I have put it. So you can change this name, right? So you can just make your name over here. So this is set the tab title and make the layout to go full white. And then here, yes, this is part may look little technical, is a Google Analytics which help you to track how many people visited the website. Totally option, but useful for a business, right? So these are the Google part that I was talking about, right? So here what I have done is for my friend, right? So how many people has visited the website, and how many people have sent the messages, all those kind of analytics, he can see it on Google Analytics. So this is little optional. You don't have to spend a much time on this, but it is better to have because you will get analytical, right? How many people visited, how many people have acted on that. So this is for the big organization that they want to. But if you have a simple business or like a small business, you don't have to do this, right? Okay, now we'll move on to the next part, right? So this is like load the Lottie animation. So basically, we are adding the smooth animation to the home page. Here is how we load it, right? So these are the code, right, for the animation that you see, right? So basically, we are then pass the Lottie URL like a one-off here to get back the animated data. Custom dark theme, right? So if you this one, right? So this is for I have created just for the dark theme. right? If I go to my website here, so this is basically for the dark theme that we have, right? So this is just for the theme, right? So you don't have to worry on that base, right? So now I'll move on to the animation and marquees, right? So column one, column two, this one, yeah, this one. For this one, I think market is give it is a dynamic, attentive, and grabbing effects, right? So this is for that. You can just use this. Now the next part is the navigation tab, right? So let me go to the yeah. So this is the header, right? So over here it's a header that we're trying to give, right? So you can put like this is a simple markdown that we are doing it. Now we will move on to the navigation, which is very important. So if I go to my website, so these are the tabs that we have, right? So in order to create this one, we are using this code, right? So we are putting tab 1, tab 2, tab 3, tab 4, right? So here I'm just putting home, so the name of the tab that I want. You can change this as per your requirement. And now the next section is the home tab, right? So how the home tab would look like, right? So here we have given the high level of tab name, right? Now here we will give how it should be look like. So like we are giving a subheader, right? Markdown everything. So in the subheader, we are putting welcome to site telecom, and then we are just writing a trusted partner, advanced security. So if you go to this website, so if I go to right, so these are the stuff that we have written over here, right? So you can customize this message as per your requirement. And now here we are just giving the column information, right? So column one to how it should be. So here we are Y2 choosers, right? So all this information. So this information you need to customize it based on your requirement, right? So these are the very simple one. You just have to copy paste the code and just rewrite whatever you want to write it. Now we'll go to the next tab, which is the service tab. So here we are the list all the services. We create a list of dictionaries, like each one hold the title, description, and image of the services, and we loop through them using for loop to generate the layout dynamically. So this makes the code easy to scale. Just add a more services to the list. You are done, right? Now, part 9 would be like about us. Okay, so where is that? Yeah, so this is about us. Here we are just giving the similar information, like whatever you want to write. We are writing it over here. Okay, and this section is explain the company's background, their vision, teams, some achievement, just nice mix of headers, bullet points here to make it look neat and professional, right? And the final one is like not a final one, but part 10, that is a contact us. Here we are just giving those detail like this is a one is a super functional, right? The first we show the address, phone number, and email info, and then this is cool. We have added the contact form, then send an email directly to the owner using a free service called form submit, right? So the form submit you must be heard that it is like being used for to send a messages, right? So this is a free, no there's no fees for that. So no backend needed, no database needed. The message landed straight to the inbox, simple and effective. So whatever email you will give, it will land, it will land it over there. Okay. Now what could be the bonus part is like styling the form. Like of course, we also style the form with the bits of extra CSS to make input boxes look a clean and modern. So this is what make the site feel polished. Okay. Cool. Now the footer, right? And the finally we finish the footer, right? Right. So finally we finish with the short footer that includes the business names and the nice design with a message. Final part. So to run this project, all you have to do is to go to your terminal and type Python Streamlit that run website. So right, if you want to run, what you have to do is just go here, okay, and then what you need to do basically you need to go to terminal. Just go to new terminal here, okay, and then so what you need to do is in order to run this, you need to just you need to first select the bash here, git bash, okay, select that, and then you need to type this thing, which is yeah. The moment you type this, right, Python m streamlit run website, okay, I think it's giving us an error. So it's saying file does not exist, right? So for that, I need to see where I have saved this file. I think I have saved it over in this location. So in my terminal, uh, 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 if there is some issue, guys. Let me see what is the issue. Yeah, so now we can see we can run this code, right? Whatever we have written over here, what we can do, we can run it, right? So I can just copy this Python m streamlit. So this code is basically, to run whatever code we have written in the Visual Studio. I'll just paste here. I'll just press enter. In the file does not exist, it is saying. Okay, let's check that. So we are using user admin, right? Okay, we need to change this, right? Because the file that we have it over here in the website, right? So how can we change that? Cd, and we need to put this path. Okay, now the path is changed. We will just copy paste this code, copy and paste it here and just press enter. Yeah, now you can see the code is run now. Okay, so you can see how it look like. So now it is running. It will take a few while. See, now you can see how your code is look like. Right? So I think it is still getting loaded. Yeah. So see how it look like. This looks very nice, right? So this is how you can make your website. This is very simple, easy, and you don't have to pay anything to anyone to create this website. This is very simple. So guys, if you like my video, please hit a subscribe button and share this video to the maximum people who want to learn the Python, Streamlit, and want to create their own website without any IT help. So you can reach out to me on LinkedIn and you can comment in the YouTube if you need any help. I can help you that. Okay. So thank you for this video. Please subscribe my channel. Don't forget to subscribe and share this to the maximum people. Thank you so much, guys.